Welcome to our video on the top 5 best laptops for video editing in 2025. When it comes to video editing, you need a laptop that delivers powerful performance, stunning display quality, and smooth multitasking. The perfect choice depends on your needs, whether it's raw processing power, graphics performance, or portability. With so many options available, choosing the right one can be a daunting task. But don't worry, we've done the hard work for you. Each laptop in our list was selected based on positive reviews and customer feedback, ensuring you get the best of the best. Be sure to check out the description for links and more details on each model. Lenovo ThinkPad X1 2-in-1 Gen 10 Aura Edition. The Lenovo ThinkPad X1 2-in-1 Gen 10 Aura Edition is a cutting-edge convertible laptop designed for professionals who demand exceptional performance and versatility, making it an excellent choice for video editing. Equipped with the latest Intel Core Ultra 2000V series processor, codenamed Lunar Lake, this laptop delivers significant performance improvements over its predecessors, ensuring smooth and efficient video editing workflows. Featuring a 14-inch touchscreen display, users can choose between a vibrant 2.8K OLED panel with a 120Hz refresh rate or an IPS display, both offering sharp visuals and accurate color reproduction essential for video editing tasks. The display is complemented by up to 32GB of LPDDR5X8533 RAM and up to 2TB of PCIe Gen 5 SSD storage, providing ample memory and fast data access speeds for handling large video files. Designed for portability, the ThinkPad X1 2-in-1 Gen 10 weighs approximately 2.87 pounds and features a slim profile, making it convenient for professionals on the go. The laptop also boasts a customer-replaceable 57Wh battery, offering up to 18 hours of usage, ensuring extended periods of uninterrupted work. Connectivity options include 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports, 2 USB-A 3.2 Gen 1 ports, HDMI 2.1, and a 3.5mm audio jack, accommodating various peripherals commonly used in video editing setups. Incorporating Lenovo's Aura Edition features, the ThinkPad X1 2-in-1 Gen 10 offers AI-driven functionalities such as smart modes to optimize eye health, enhance privacy, and minimize distractions, contributing to a comfortable and secure editing environment. Priced starting at $2,199, this laptop combines premium build quality with advanced features, making it a worthwhile investment for professionals seeking a reliable and powerful device for video editing. Asus ProArt P16 H7606. The Asus ProArt P16 is a high-performance laptop tailored for content creators and professionals engaged in video editing. It boasts an AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX370 processor and an NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU with 8GB GDDR6V RAM, ensuring seamless handling of demanding tasks. Its 16-inch OLED touchscreen display features a 3840 by 2400 resolution, delivering crisp visuals and 100% DCI-P3 color accuracy, which is essential for precise color grading in video editing. The laptop comes equipped with 32GB of LPDDR5X RAM running at 7500 MHz and a 2TB NVMe PCIe 4.0 SSD, providing ample memory and storage for large video files. Designed for portability, it weighs 1.85 kilograms and measures 14.9mm in thickness, making it convenient for professionals on the move. The cooling system comprises a triple fan setup, maintaining optimal temperatures during intensive tasks. Additionally, Asus Copilot Plus PC feature enhances security and personalization, further elevating the user experience. Starting at approximately $2,899.99, the Asus ProArt P16 offers a compelling blend of power, display quality, and portability, making it a top choice for video editing professionals. AORUS Aero 16 OLED. The Gigabyte Aero 16 OLED is a high-performance laptop meticulously crafted for content creators and video editing professionals. It features a 16-inch 4K Ultra HD plus OLED display with a 3840 by 2400 resolution and a 16:10 aspect ratio, delivering exceptional color accuracy and vibrant visuals ideal for precise video editing tasks. Under the hood, The Aero 16 OLED is powered by an Intel Core i9-13900H processor, complemented by 32GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB SSD, ensuring swift data processing and ample storage for large video files. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4070 GPU with 8GB GDDR6 VRAM enhances graphics performance, facilitating smooth rendering and playback of high-resolution videos. Designed with portability in mind, the laptop weighs approximately 4.6 pounds and boasts a sleek aluminum chassis, making it suitable for professionals on the go. It offers a variety of ports, including Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, and a microSD card reader, providing versatile connectivity options for various peripherals. Priced at approximately $1,699, the Gigabyte Aero 16 OLED offers a compelling blend of performance, display quality, and portability, making it a top-tier choice for video editing professionals seeking a reliable and efficient laptop. Razer Blade 18. The Razer Blade 18 is a high-performance laptop tailored for video editing professionals seeking a blend of power, display quality, and portability. Its expansive 18-inch mini LED display boasts a 2560 by 1600 resolution with a 300Hz refresh rate, delivering vibrant colors and exceptional contrast, ideal for precise video editing tasks. Under the hood, the Blade 18 is powered by a 13th generation Intel Core i9-13950HX processor, complemented by 32GB of DDR5 RAM and a 1TB SSD, ensuring swift data processing and ample storage for large video files. The NVIDIA GeForce RTX 4080 GPU with 12GB GDDR6 VRAM enhances graphics performance, facilitating smooth rendering and playback of high-resolution videos. Designed with portability in mind, the laptop features a sleek aluminum chassis and weighs approximately 6.8 pounds, making it suitable for professionals on the move. It offers a comprehensive array of ports, including Thunderbolt 5, USB-A, USB-C, HDMI, and an SD card reader, providing versatile connectivity options for various peripherals. Priced at approximately $3,799.99, the Razer Blade 18 combines premium build quality with advanced features, making it a worthwhile investment for professionals seeking a reliable and powerful device for video editing. Apple MacBook Pro M4. The Apple MacBook Pro M4 is a high-performance laptop tailored for video editing professionals seeking a blend of power, display excellence, and portability. At its core, the MacBook Pro M4 is equipped with Apple's advanced M4 chip, featuring a 10-core CPU and a 10-core GPU, ensuring swift and efficient handling of demanding video editing tasks. It comes standard with 16GB of unified memory and a 512GB SSD, providing a responsive editing experience and ample storage for your projects. The 14.2-inch Liquid Retina XDR display offers a native resolution of 3024 by 1964, delivering vibrant colors and high brightness levels essential for precise color grading and detailed editing work. The display also features ProMotion technology, offering a smooth 120Hz refresh rate that enhances the visual experience during editing sessions. Designed with portability in mind, the MacBook Pro M4 weighs approximately 3.4 pounds, making it convenient for professionals on the move. It offers versatile connectivity options, including 3 Thunderbolt 4 ports, an SDXC card slot, HDMI, and a 3.5mm audio jack, ensuring compatibility with a wide range of peripherals commonly used in video editing workflows. The MacBook Pro M4 starts at $1,599 for the base model with 16GB RAM and a 512GB SSD. Upgraded configurations with enhanced memory and storage options are also available, with prices varying based on specifications and retailers. Overall, the Apple MacBook Pro M4 stands as a robust and reliable choice for video editing professionals, combining Apple's cutting-edge technology with a sleek design to meet the demands of modern creative workflows. Thanks for watching our video on the top 5 best laptops for video editing in 2025. We hope this guide helps you find the perfect laptop for your creative needs. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more tech reviews and recommendations. Don't forget to check the description for links and further details on all the models we discussed.